Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is tabletop exercise for ASEAN women officers. Recently, the Indian Army conducted a tabletop exercise for the women officers of Association of Southeast Asian Nations, that is ASEAN, at the Manekshaw Centre in New Delhi from 4th to 8th December 2023. It is a landmark initiative to promote gender inclusivity and enhancing the capabilities of women military personnel in peacekeeping operations. The exercise is part of ongoing efforts of the Centre for United Nations Peacekeeping or CUNPK. It aims to strengthen international cooperation and capacity building in peacekeeping missions with special focus on empowering women in the field. This exercise served as a platform for participants to simulate and strategize responses to complex peacekeeping scenarios reflecting real-world challenges. It also included exposure to complex operational peacekeeping environment and methods to ensure women peace and security. Significantly, CUNPK is a premier institution of the Indian Army to impart training in peacekeeping operations. CUNPK had earlier conducted ASEAN Women Military Officers course from 18th to 29th September 2023. This TTX is a follow-up exercise of ongoing joint military training between India and ASEAN member states.